Everyone knows ChatGPT, Midjourney, or maybe a few others. But there is a secret side of AI that no one's talking about. Hidden tools that can save you hours, boost your income, and even create for you. Today, I will show you 5 powerful AI tools you have probably never heard of. But once you try them, you will wonder how you live without them. So let's get started. Gamma.app. It's like if PowerPoint and ChatGPT had a baby. Just type your topic and Gamma instantly build a beautiful modern presentation, complete with layout, design, and even taking points. Gamma AI is an AI powered platform designed to simplify content creation, particularly for presentations, website, and social media content. It allows users to generate content rapidly, transforming text into visual, appealing, and interactive format with minimal design effort. Gamma aims to streamline the content creation process, making it faster and easier to produce high quality material. And now it will show some outlines in which you will find 7 to 8 bullet points which you can include or exclude another one. And here you will find the theme page. You can select anyone and it takes a little bit of time to proceed further, and after which you will see a great presentation, and boom, it's a gorgeous presentation. You will find here the pictures and the text well assigned. Want to reach a global audience? Diverse automatically translate and dubs your video into 30 plus languages with AI voice that sound human. Diverse AI is an AI powered platform that specializes in video dubbing and translation. It aims to break down language barrier in video content by providing automated dubbing, voice cleaning, and subtitle services. The company focus on making video content accessible to the global audience. And after opening the device, you will find some option on the left side, and at the middle you will find video dubbing, video subtitle, and text to speak. And in the subscription, there you will find Pro, Supreme, and Enterprise package. After taking the subscription, you will enroll into it. Next is Clean Voice AI, your secret weapon for clean professional audio. It automatically removes filler words, mouth clicks, and background noise, saving you hours of editing. Clean Voice AI is an AI powered audio editing tool designed to enhance podcast and other audio content by removing unwanted elements like filler words and background noise. It also offers features like loudness normalization and podcast transcription, making audio editing faster and more efficient. Clean Voice is particularly useful for podcasters, content creators, business. Now, this one's game changer. Perplexity AI. It's like ChatGPT but with real-time internet access and source links. Ask a question, it gives you cited answer from across the web. Think of it as your personal research assistant that doesn't make things up. Perplexity AI, or simple Perplexity, is a web search engine that uses a large language model to process queries and synthesize responses based on web research. With a conversational approach, Perplexity allows users to ask follow-up questions and receive answers with citations of their. And finally, Leonardo AI. It's like Midjourney but with more control and options. Journey, stunning art, gaming assets, UI concepts, and even pixel art, all with simple prompts. If you are into design or content creation, this one a hidden gem. Leonardo AI is a generative AI platform specializing in visual content creation, offering tools for generating images, illustrations, and design assets. It's designed to empower creators, designers, and businesses by transforming text prompt into high quality visuals. Leonardo AI stands out by providing a high degree of customizations and control over the creative process.